Hello everyone and welcome back to PostNetwork Academy. I am Bindeshwar and in this video you are going to learn operators in Python. Operators are very important topic in Python and basically these are special symbols that perform computations on operands, and we will see these things through examples. So basically there are many types of operator for different purposes. For example, arithmetic, relational, logical, bitwise, assignment, membership and identity. Among all, these three are very important and you will come across all the time. Now let us see arithmetic operators. So you can say that plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus and exponential operators. These are arithmetic operations. And see that what would be the output here. So a plus b, that means 10 plus 15, and that will be 10 plus 5, 15. Here 10 minus 5, that would be 5 after subtraction. Multiplication 10 into 5, that is 50. Division 10 upon 5, that is 2. Modulus, that is 10 modulus 2. Remainder, that is 10 modulus 5, that would be 0. And exponentiation 10 to the power 5. You can calculate yourself. So let us copy this program and paste in Python's, you can say the Thony editor, and see the output here. So there is a space, and also we need to delete this statement. So let us remove space. Now let us run it. See the output what I have told: 15, 5, 52, 0 and you can say that 1 and 5, 0. Let us see another operator, that is relational operators, and see that here relational operators, you will see the value of x is 5 and x is 10 and y 5. And here what would be the output? We will check whether x greater than y. So here, because this is the correct statement, so that output would be true. This kind of output you will get. X less than y, no, that is false. Equal to, false. Not equal to, true, because both are not equal to. Greater than or equal to, true, because x is greater than y. Less than or equal to, false. So let us copy it again and see the output. Here Thony editor, and again just select it, override after pasting. Here we should remove the space before statements. And see that the results here: true, second false, third false, fourth true, fifth true and sixth false. Let us see the third operator. This is the logical operators. So again here what will happen? End means both all the statement will be true, then the complete statement would be true. That means here x and y, that means true and false. and this will imply false, because in AND operation all must be true, then the result would be true, or X or Y. So true or true. So if at least true or false, basically this one false. So true. So if one is true, all expressions value would be true. Not X. Not X means not true. That means false. So let us see false, true and false. That would be the output. So let us copy it, paste on Thony editor, and of course space, there must not be space, otherwise it will not run. Here false, true and false. Now let us see another operators. These are bitwise. So here I will explain you that if you convert 5 into binary, so that would be 5 you will represent as 0 1 0 1, and 3 0 0 1 and 1. So bitwise end means bitwise. So here what will happen, bitwise end means here 0 and 0, that would be 0, 1 and 0, that would be also 0, 0 and 1, that would be also 0, 1 and 1, that would be 1. So finally for this one we will get 1. So for this one output would be 1. For OR, so 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1, OR means either one is true, so whole would be, so the 0 0 0 1 0, so 1 0 1 1 1 1 1, so that would be equal to 2 4 and 8. So 2 4, that would be, let us see what would be the result, because that would be 2 into 2, 1 into 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2. So 4 plus 2 plus 6, that would be 7 finally. Thereafter bitwise XOR. So that would be 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1. See that if these are different, so XOR value would be 1. Otherwise same, so that would be 0. So what will you get? You will get 6. Shift operator, that means if 0 1 0 1, so shift all values. So that means it would be here, if I shift, so 1 will here, 0 is here, again 1 is here, so here would be 0 instead of here. So 1 bit you will shift in the left, that would be 1, like this one. So only 4 bit you will take. So that would be equal to 8 plus 2, that would be 10. Right shift, that means right shift means 0 1 0 1. So right, if you right shift, so 0 1 0 0 1 here. Here again it would be 0 here. We will shift here and that will become 0. So that means 2. Let us copy it and paste. Run it thereafter. You can see the output 1 7 6 10 and 2. Now let us see another operators. So you can see that these are equivalent to these are, you can say that, yes, combination of assignment and arithmetic operator. So that would be equal to x plus 5. This one, that means x is equal to minus 3, that would be equal to x is x minus 3, that kind of thing. This one would be equal to x refers x star 2. So let us copy and just paste in Thony editor and see the output. So here, see that because only x is printed, the last one, so that's why it is the last one only. We can just print one by one. So here, just I am putting comment, and thereafter we will test all. So x, that means x plus 5. So you will see that is 15. Thereafter I am putting comment here, and second one I have just using this estimate, so you can say that's 7 because x is 10, so x minus 3 10. The same way you can test this one. Okay, another one you can, because x is x into 2, so this way you can see that. Now list, basically that is a list of values, and if there is a member inside this one, so that will print true. So here 3 in my list is created, here 3 in list, so it is yes. 6 not in my list, it is means it is saying that 6 is not in this list. Basically that is true, so that's why both would be true. Just see that here, just copying and paste here, and see that I will explain list in detail, but here list of values in which you are checking the value in the list, so that is in operator, membership operator. So here see that 3 is in list, 6 not in the list, so that is also true. If I say 6 in list, so that would be false because 6 is not in the list. If I say 6 not in my list, so 3, that is also false. You can see that, just opposite statement. So that is called membership operator. Now the same A is B, just identity operators. So if A is B, that means it is a comparing. So that is true. A is C, false. Also it compares the address. So I will explain this one in the list section in detail. So we have learned about arithmetic, relational, logical, bitwise, these kind of operators, lists, tuples. I will explain these things in their respective sections. So here operators our focus was on operators, and this just I have introduced for membership operators. Also membership operators work in tuples, dictionary, sets. So I will discuss in upcoming videos. So hope you understood the concepts. For a post, you can follow PostNetwork Academy website. You can subscribe YouTube channel. You can follow Facebook page and also LinkedIn page. And if you do, it will support me, and it will, you can say that, help me, or you can say that it will motivate me to make more videos, create content and post. So hope you understood. Thanks for watching the video.